Came into this spot and I noticed a bunch of tracks all along the snow out in the hills.
Okay. It's April. A couple cold days here. Winter kind of showed up again. About 4 to 5 days ago. We got a bunch more snow. Set up on a open prairie with a thicket behind me. Wind is going out to the prairie.
So I sat up along the fence line and kind of relaxed, drank a Red Bull.
I'm gonna have a Red Bull.
Did a series of interrogational howls, and it wasn't a minute this coyote popped up in this little saddle out in the hills.
Alright, let's see if they're responsive. There's one right on the hill right here. Right on the hill right here. He's in my wind already though.
Got the camera on him, and then he scooted to the downwind. So I set the camera up kind of down on the downwind side, hoping that maybe I'd get a shot. Probably a good 5 minutes waiting, and then he ended up poking up back to where I first saw him.
Bumped him just as he was leaving. Oh man. Oh gosh. I was sure he got my wind there. Oh, just finished a Red Bull, so I'm just vibrating right now, but I was sure I was toast there. I just kept quiet. And I kept over here in case he was going right downwind. And he ended up popping back over to where he first come up. And just enough time to get the camera over there. Sorry, I'm all zoomed in here. Get the camera. Man, I'm shaking. Get the camera on him. I couldn't find him because obviously it's grassy and snowy, so I just lined up the snow with where he was. Got over here on the gun. As soon as he moved, I pulled the trigger and boom, I seen him do a roll. So nice, awesome. Let's go get him.
Nice male. Got him. Yeah. Get him on the other side of the fence and set him up. Sweet. Season is basically done for me. I may get out a couple more times. Pretty cool little quick hunt. They don't always happen like that, but it's a nice little cherry on top.